Hello everyone, and we are back. It's Thursday in the close of the week. In the last round of the week, we got the one and only 007. I'm talking about Jerome Powell. Zero clue of what he's doing. Zero interest rates rebate and 7 years wrecking up the economy. That's the 007 right there, folks. And we just did this morning at 4 a.m. in Australia time, and it was quite a surprising for those who weren't expecting FOMC, because for me, that I was expecting FOMC, I knew that would happen. The market didn't change like literally nothing. The market didn't even flinch. Yields are the same, bonds is the same, bond yields are the same. US dollar just a tiny bit different. The whole risk on the market is still the same. Gold is still the same. So as I say, that was no surprises at all. Well, that's what I want to talk today. So before we go any further, I need to say thumbs up on this video, thumbs up now on this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, you have two options. You either leave here in the comments or you go and ask privately to me on the Telegram. And how you do that? Simply clicking into the description of this video, you will find the link to get access to the Telegram group. Once you're on the Telegram group, you can access the members, and you can see my name, and you can call, and then don't call me. You can send me a message. All right, cool. Now let's get to it. And what did Jerome Powell say? Nothing. That's exactly what he say. He say exactly the same as he did last time. The only thing that is changing here, that slightly changing, is that they are noticing that the electricity costs are coming down, and they're noticing as well the oil prices are coming down, and that is somewhat making the inflationary pressures go away in his perception, because he even, that's a gold part. I'm going to show tonight on my webinar. When he say that I'm going to try to do exactly as he did. All right. Someone asked him about inflation, and he was like, inflation is good. We can look back and we can see that it's coming down. It's coming down, right? It's coming down. So, I know we had a negative GDP last quarter, but, it's still good. I guess if we look back, the GDP is still good. I mean, come on, guys. The guy was, I can't say those words here, but he was, really on a really, really bad situation, because he knows inflation is not going down. He knows they are on a stagflation, but he can't say that, because if he says that, what happens with the market? Boom. Yeah, S&P 500 goes down, NASDAQ goes down, US dollar, goes all the way down to the floor and dig a hole and continue to go down. So those are type of the things that I reckon people are noticing, and they are sort of, oh, okay, so he just don't want to say, but that's actually happening. Interesting. So let's short US dollar. In my view, after that, the whole, I would say, drama from today, my view doesn't change anything. I'm still short US dollar, still long gold, still long Japanese yen, still long Swiss franc, still long Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. A little bit tricky for Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, just because, they're very closely together. But the thing here is, we are a risk on currency. So anytime that goes risk off, we may have a problem. We may have a problem for pullbacks into Australian dollar. But like Aussie CAD, I just made some longs on Aussie CAD yesterday, and then today, this morning, when the price opened was on a low price, bought a little bit more. So yeah, those, we are sort of risk on at the moment. So market is escalating, and I'm reckon we can get to 0.90 on Aussie CAD. So let's keep our eyes in. Don't forget that tonight we will have my webinar. If you can't come, that's all right. You can watch the replay next time. And don't forget that next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we have that webinar. So if you can't come today, most likely when you're watching this video, we're already finishing the webinar. So when next week you can come and you can have a look at what we discuss. But guys, thank you so much. I will be here tomorrow again, and stay tuned because big things are happening. As Trump say, he literally stated, I have an announcement to do as big as it's get. So lots of things happening in the next coming days, maybe tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. So let's wait and see what Trump has to say. But he said it's not on the trade. I can't trust. I really don't know. Maybe it is. We don't know. Guys, thank you so much. Thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.